makes a lot of sense to go out and practice shooting in manual. That's when you can start mastering. That's when you can start controlling your photography. Right now I'm standing in front of Lau Pa Sat, which means old market in Hokkien. What is used as the marinade for the satay?
Secret ingredient.
Uncle, you draw this hat yourself?
Yes.
Depth of field is actually a three-way relationship. Today we're in Little India and we've just passed the Festival of Lights, Deepavali, and there's still decorations all around, and we're going to photograph all that color, all the details, the food, the people. So today I'm photographing with a couple of the most extreme Fujifilm lenses, which is the Monster Glass 816mm wide, and also the longest lens, which is the 200mm f2. I'm going to sit on the back of the lorry with two other of our film crew. We're going to head to the most easterly point of Singapore. So it's kind of like rough and gruff. Yeah.
It's always a Harley, nothing else.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean there are other made of bikes.
Why not like a Ducati?
Ducati is good too.
Yeah.
But I'm a Harley chick.